Hi employers, my name is Camelia. I'm the founder of Kabel. I've noticed that there is a significant gap between the traditional hiring process and the needs of the young talents today. The biggest challenge hiring Gen Z is the disconnect between the traditional method and the expectations. The Gen Zs are digital natives. They value speed, efficiency, and transparency. They're looking for a streamlined hiring process that doesn't require them to go through rounds of interviews and tons of paperwork. So that's where Kabel comes in. We've built a platform that simplifies the hiring process, allowing growth-led employers to connect with their top talent candidates in just 3 simple steps: swipe, match, and chat. It's far more efficient and far more engaging to find you the right talent. So are you ready? Let's get started finding you your ideal fresh grad and intern. Step 1 involves creating your profile. Go to cable.web.app and enter your phone number. Enter the OTP sent to your WhatsApp. Finally, enter your name, your email, and your nationality. And you're in. The next step is to create your workspace. To do that, click on Workspace and enter as many details as you can. This is important for the candidate to know about your company. So things like your company vision, your mission, product services, and benefits should be there for the candidate to learn about you. You may also add in videos, photos to showcase your company culture and the team to benefit them. Well done on creating your workspace. The next step involves creating a job. To do this, click Create a Job and put in your job position title. Allow our AI to help you to generate the job description. Now, based on your title, our AI will detail out a list of relevant skills that will be useful to scope out your candidate. You can edit it along the way. You can select right up to 10. After clicking Next, fill in the answers to the 3 questions. Now, these 3 questions are important to give clarity and to also attract Gen Zs. Once you're done, click Next and make sure that you enter necessary information to help you filter out the candidates. There you go. You're done with creating your job post. Now that you've posted a job, you should be looking at a stack of candidates recommended to you instantly, with the top of the deck being most relevant to your job requirement. To select the candidates, just click Tick or X to reject to review the next one. Or if you want to see more information about the candidate, just go to I and you will see the relevant information required. To see all the candidates that you have swiped on, go to the History button on the top right corner and it will show you the list of the candidates that you have reviewed. To check on further progress, click KIV button and you will see 3 columns there. Pending means you're waiting for the candidates to respond to you. Now, it may take a couple of days because candidates will take time to do research about your company. Once they're interested, they will match with you and their name will appear under the middle column, which is the match. Now, at this point, you are able to click on Unlock, and this is where you pay to connect with the candidate to start the engagement. Now, if you're not the only one who is doing recruitment for the company, you can invite your team members to join you in your workspace. To do this, go to Workspace and then click Members. Use the Invite Members code to send it to your colleague. Now, once that's done, you can all come in to collaborate to swipe on the candidates. Through this, we aim to connect you, growth-led employers, to the top talents in a very simplified and efficient way of recruitment.